Is it the right time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we will dive deep into Apple. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, November 17, 2023. Now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 7, 2023, our system has identified Apple as a promising investment with a score of 3.92. Now, let's dive into how the stock has performed during this period. Apple's stock has shown a gain of 4.33%. This means that on average, it has yielded a daily return of 0.48% since it was identified as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in a wide and horizontal trend. Typically, this would present a good selling opportunity. However, if the stock breaks through the top trend line at $190.33, it would indicate a strong buy signal and a shift in the trend can be expected. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a potential 0.402% change over the next 3 months. This could result in a return ranging from -11.57% to 0.741%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a 32.47% change over the next year. This could lead to a potential return between 18.88% and 48.55%. In terms of price, this would translate to a range of $225.50 to $281.79 after 1 year. Our latest update on Apple brings a headline that reads, Apple stock downgraded from strong buy candidate to buy candidate after Friday's trading session. On the last day, which was Friday, November 17, 2023, the Apple stock price experienced a slight decline of -0.0105%, dropping from $189.71 to $189.69. Throughout the trading day, the stock price fluctuated by 0.96%, reaching a low of $188.58 and a high of $190.38. It's worth noting that the stock price has risen in 7 of the past 10 days and has seen an overall increase of 7.38% over the past 2 weeks. Interestingly, the trading volume also decreased along with the stock, which can be seen as a positive sign, as volume typically follows the stock price. Specifically, on the last day, the trading volume dropped by -6 million shares, with a total of 47 million shares being bought and sold, resulting in a transaction value of approximately $8.91 billion. Looking at the broader picture, over the course of the past 52 weeks, the highest price observed for the Apple stock was $198.22, while the lowest price recorded was $124.17. As of now, the current stock price is 4.3% below the 52-week high, equivalent to a difference of $8.53, and 16.9% below the all-time high, which occurred on August 30, 2018, when the price reached $228.26. Analyst ratings. On Friday, November 3, 2023, Raymond James gave Apple a grade of outperform with a recommendation to hold. On Thursday, November 2, 2023, UBS gave Apple a grade of neutral with a recommendation to hold. On Thursday, November 2, 2023, Evercore ISI gave Apple a grade of outperform with a recommendation to hold. On Thursday, November 2, 2023, Barclays gave Apple a grade of equal weight with a recommendation to hold. On Thursday, November 2, 2023, Wedbush gave Apple a grade of outperform with a recommendation to hold. Analysts have given Apple stock a strong buy rating overall. They consider the PE ratio and price to book as strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a neutral rating. Today, we'll be discussing the signals that have been identified for Apple stock. The Apple stock is showing positive signs as both short and long-term moving averages are giving buy signals, indicating a favorable forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relation between these two signals, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of downward corrections, there will be support from the lines at $186.92 and $177.81. However, if the stock price falls below these levels, it will issue sell signals. It's important to note that there is also a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. While some negative signals have also been issued, indicating potential influence on the near short-term development, it's worth mentioning that a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, November 16, 2023. So far, the stock has fallen by -0.0105%. It is anticipated that there may be further decline until a new bottom pivot has been found. Lastly, it's worth noting that the volume fell together with the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk as volume tends to follow the price movements. Today, I want to share with you some interesting signals to watch out for in your stock trading journey. First, let's talk about the moving average convergence divergence signal. It's a buy signal that you might find valuable. Another signal you should pay attention to is pivots. It gave a sell signal 2 days ago, indicating a potential change in the market direction. Bollinger Bands is yet another indicator that can provide insights. It gave a buy signal 4 days ago, suggesting a potential upward movement in the stock. If you're interested in short-term trends, keep an eye on the short-term moving average. It gave a buy signal 15 days ago, indicating a positive trend. Similarly, the long-term moving average has also given a buy signal 13 days ago, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock in the long run. Now, let's consider the relationship between the short and long moving averages. It gave a buy signal 10 days ago, indicating a potential upward trend in the market. Moving on to the 12-month chart, we can observe the following trends. The short-term moving average provided a buy signal 13 days ago, suggesting a positive short-term outlook for the stock. The long-term moving average also gave a buy signal 10 days ago, indicating a positive long-term trend for the stock. Moreover, the relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 57 days ago, indicating a potential long-term upward movement in the market. If you're hungry for more signals, head over to our page at StockInvest.us. You'll find a wealth of information to enhance your trading decisions. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. When it comes to support levels, there are 2 important ones to consider. Just below today's level, Apple finds support at $177.56 and $175.84. Support levels are crucial because if they are broken, the stock may fall further to the next support level. In this case, if $177.56 is broken, the next support will be at $175.84 and $175.01. It's important to note that there is always a certain level of risk when a stock is testing a support level. However, with good trading volume and average movements during the day, the risk for Apple is considered to be medium. Looking at the recent volatility, we can see that the stock moved $1.81 between its high and low, or 0.96%, in the last day. Over the past week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 1.01%. Before we proceed to discuss the potential trading levels for Apple, let's first explore some essential fundamental data. One crucial metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Apple's P/E ratio falls within the range of what is typically seen in businesses with established track records or predictable revenues. Moving on, the next earnings report for Apple's fourth quarter of 2023 is scheduled for February 1, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $1.39. It's important to keep a close watch on these numbers, as they can significantly impact the stock prices. Today, let's dive into some potential day trading levels for Apple. If the stock is experiencing an upward trend, the first resistance level to keep an eye on is at $189.70. For those who don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait until this level is breached before entering a position. However, if you're already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the other hand, if the stock is facing a downward trend, Apple will encounter its first support level at $177.56. If this support level holds, it could potentially serve as a good entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Apple has received a strong buy rating on average. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. The most recent insider trades were conducted by Condo Chris, who bought and sold a total of 24,854 shares or options in the company. After analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of -22.206. In total, insiders have purchased 2,317,906 shares and sold 3,788,383 shares in the last 100 trades. For this stock, we recommend setting the stop loss at $183.54, which represents a decrease of 3.24%. This particular stock experiences moderate daily movements, resulting in a medium level of risk. The RSI 14 indicator is currently at 88, indicating a higher level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal was generated by a pivot top that occurred 1 day ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, there are several positive signals in the short term, suggesting that now may be a good buying opportunity for Apple stock. However, we have slightly downgraded our previous analysis from a strong buy to a buy candidate due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the stock in the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. Looking ahead to Monday, November 20th, we anticipate Apple to open with a decrease of $0.142, starting its trading at $189.55. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading comes with a high risk of financial loss. It's always advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions in the stock market. Please remember that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view on a particular stock. We value your opinion, so please share your thoughts by commenting below. We're also curious to know what your target is for this stock. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. Our team wishes you successful trading and a wonderful day ahead.